My name's Rich and I'm the CEO of ReAgent. ReAgent really prides itself on the quality of our products but also our customer service. We put the customer at the heart of everything that we do. Everyone puts the customer first. We're really proud of our reputation in the industry. It's something that sets us apart from everyone else. Some customers want to be very involved with what we do, and some customers want us to just take care of everything. We flex the amount of involvement accordingly. It's like sort of a bespoke service. Don't just take my word for it though, see what our customers themselves say about ReAgent.
From our history with ReAgent, they've always been quick, efficient, the right cost base as well, and did things as they said they'd do it. So it's a partnership we have rather than a customer-supplier relationship, and that's key for us. Partnerships are key for us.
What I've learned about ReAgent is that they do a lot more than just chemical supply. So if you've got something that you think is a little niche and something that your current suppliers can't fulfill, then it's worth asking at ReAgent to find out if they are capable of finding a solution for you.
The relationship with ReAgent is more like a partnership. There's an open flow of dialogue, bookings well in advance. Culturally, we find ourselves aligned with ReAgent. We both heavily invest in our staff and our people.
We like the personal relationship that we built with John Rankin right from the start. And, you know, to have that kind of personal relationship with somebody is fantastic for us because he just gives us complete confidence in what you guys can do.
The chemists did a fantastic job to actually look at the manufacturing site and developing a formulation that's going to work. We ended up with a far superior product, a safer product.
We researched multiple tool mixing companies before selecting ReAgent, and ReAgent was the only company that we contacted that offered support from the initial small batches all the way through to the full production quantities. John and Kerry were extremely kind and very easy to deal with and able to answer all of our questions. I would definitely recommend ReAgent for their commitment to high-quality products, innovative solutions, and excellent customer service.
I definitely recommend ReAgent. My advice to other companies that have got similar challenges to ourselves would be to get in contact with ReAgent, basically, because you guys have been fantastic.
I would definitely recommend ReAgent. The service, professionalism, and everything we get from them is top-notch.
I would very much recommend ReAgent and their services. The responsiveness and customer service is excellent, and so overall it's a very good experience working with them.
If anybody came to me and said, right, I'm looking for a chemical company, a blender, someone, we've got a new idea, we've got a product we want to develop, I would say definitely. Nothing phases them. So yeah, I think, would I recommend them? Yes.
So that's what our customers say about ReAgent, and if you'd like to partner with us and become a customer yourself, get in touch.